Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel. This is Chef Maurice and today lulutuin natin itong very special dish na ito. Tinawag natin special kasi hindi tayo gumamit ng any meat. So, this is a meatless dish. It's very healthy. Ang maganda dyan, sobrang easy. Lahat ng ingredients na ginamit ko is mahahanap nyo sa inyong mga tahanan. Right here, gumamit tayo ng eggplant and some leftover rice. Papakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko siya pinalinamnam. At higit sa lahat, hindi kailangan ng sobrang daming ingredients para makapag-create tayo ng sobrang sarap na dish. Especially yung meat. Hindi siya kailangan na laging nasa dish para tawagin ng isang dish na masarap. Fried rice in oyster sauce with eggplant toppings. Right now, we have spring onion. Let's cut our spring onion. Take off the root, cut it in the middle. So, chop lang natin siya. Nice and easy. Right here, we've got 1 clove of garlic. Let's crush it. Let's mince our garlic. Let's cut our tomato. Really nice red fresh tomato. All right. Here. I will cut our eggplant. Cut this side. Then later on, we're gonna pan grill this one, and this goes on top of our rice. So it's gonna be very, very delicious with our oyster sauce. Alright, ayan na siya. Here we have our ginger, and the trick for this one is we need to use a spoon and take off a little bit of the skin. So ngayon nakita nyo mas madali siyang balatan with a spoon kasi hindi nasasayang yung ating ginger. Cut the part that we peeled. So let's mince our ginger. As much as possible, talagang i-mince natin siya mabuti. Sobrang simple lang ang ating recipe for today. Meron tayo dito rice. So basmati rice yung gagamitin natin today, but you can also use the normal rice. Okay? Then, nag-chop tayo ng spring onion. Here is our minced ginger. Here, hindi mawawala yung ating minced garlic, diced tomatoes. Siyempre, yung ating eggplant. Sa ating pampalasa, gagamit tayo ng oyster sauce. This will give a really nice umami taste to our dish. I'm gonna use olive oil because it's healthier. Tandaan niyo yan, guys. If you want, pwede rin tayong gumamit ng vegetable oil. But I love using olive oil because it's so much healthier. We're not gonna heat up our oil that much. Let's put our garlic. So let's just wait for the fragrance of our garlic, and then let's put our ginger. We don't want to overcook our garlic, guys. Kasi pagka na-overcook natin yung ating garlic, magiging bitter yung ating dish, okay? So very critical yung stage sa pag-saute ng garlic. Kailangan tamang-tama lang yung kanyang color. Spring onion. Then I'm gonna put our tomatoes. Okay. So, antayin lang natin lumambot yung ating tomatoes, and then let's add our rice. It smells really, really good. Okay, now it's time to fry our rice. Para ma-absorb ng ating rice, yung ating garlic, ginger, and spring onions. Lalo-lalo na yung ating tomatoes. I will add yung ating oyster sauce at talaga namang bibigay ng sobrang sarap na lasa sa ating rice. Okay, so ngayon naglagay tayo ng oyster sauce. But alam ko marami sa inyo hindi nakakaalam ng kung ano nga ba yung umami. Sa madaling salita, ito yung nagpapalinamnam sa ating mga dishes. Okay? So, makukuha natin ang umami taste from particular ingredients. Just like yung ginamit natin today, which is yung oyster sauce. For example, pwede tayong gumamit ng anchovies, pwede tayong gumamit ng patis, pwede tayong gumamit ng cheese. So, from those ingredients, doon tayo kumukuha ng umami taste. Or pwede rin sa mga seaweed. Especially sa dish natin, hindi tayo nag-rely ng lasa doon sa meat kasi nga hindi tayo gumamit ng meat. By adding Mamacita's oyster sauce, tayo nag-rely ng lasa or yung body ng ating dish. Okay, looking so good. Really nice color. Really delicious. And then let's grill our eggplants. So easy. Touch of olive oil, oregano. Give a really nice taste. Then let's crack some salt and pepper. And that's pretty much of it. Alright, it's time to plate our dish. So yung lasa ng ating fried rice is quite garlicky and then nakatulong yung ginger na mag-add ng very distinct taste sa ating rice and very clean yung kanyang taste. And then naglagay pa tayo ng oyster sauce. So yun yung nagpasarap talaga. Lasang-lasa dun sa ating rice. Match na match yung eggplant natin. So sana guys may natutunan kayo today and let me know guys kung anong masasabi nyo. Kung nagustuhan nyo itong ating video for today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and don't be shy to like the video and turn on your notification bell para sa ating mga new recipes na ilalabas and marami pa yan. And syempre, I would love to know all of your requests na recipes. Isulat nyo lang sa comment section below. And once again, this is Chef Morris Dansen. I will see you again, guys. Happy cooking, everyone.